Hey there, YouTube friends. Got me a couple convertibles yesterday on December 30th. Found these two at my favorite thrift shop. Um, they wanted $30 a piece. I got them for $20 a piece. Um, the first one I'm going to show off is this green Hoover convertible model U4377. A very lovely looking machine. Love the bag design. It's Type C. Like the headlight and the hood. Underneath is very nice and clean. But there's a big problem with this vac. Well, how about we take this plate off and I'll show you. There's a big crack and a piece missing. So now this beater bar is very loose in here, and it sounds like crap. It rattles, shakes, rattles, and rolls. It is a 2-speed model. When the handle's in the up position, it's in the high speed for the attachments. The headlight didn't work, and you know I fixed that, so I'll show you a quick demo. Let you hear it. Start out in high speed. Uh-oh, I gotta plug it in, I guess. That should do it. I mean, it could be worse. It's not too bad. And the next one is the U4597 Hoover RS. Supposedly the last convertible made. And it really is in pretty good shape. There's a couple scratches on the side of the hood, a little bit here and a little bit here. Rubbed strip a little bit. But other than that, polished up, very shiny. Underneath is nice and clean. Bag is perfect. This takes a Type A bag. Um, you know, just to be one of the last model convertible, I'm disappointed that it doesn't have a headlight. It only has 2 height positions, low and normal. The green one has 4. I really like the bag on this machine. It inflates nice and big. Love that. So I'll demonstrate. 4.8 amp motor here, 1 speed. That one sounds really good. I love it. And because that was the last Hoover convertible made, and this is New Year's Eve, I think that's going to be the last vacuum that I use this year. So, there you go, guys. my last vacuuming of the year. Okay, well, everybody have a nice, safe night, and I look forward to seeing you guys next year for sure. Keep those videos rolling. Alright.